Welcome to 𝐄𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐂. We talk about investing, finance, and professional development. As the current time of 1:54 p.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum contract $1,081, up about 1.30% so far. Respect over crypto market and the equity market across the spectrum, we're relatively, just seesawing today, just consolidate on a sideways fashion as we try to wrap up a relatively volatile week, on this Friday. And with respect to the levels that we at right now, we're basically in between levels at the moment. For Ethereum specifically, we are just a hair below 1,150, which is a substantive level, but in a non-substantive consolidated level, that's 1,050. And the next level will be obviously 1,000, 950, 850, all the way down to a next level of support, which is technically $750. And in respect to the overall market, as we speaking right now, just about 2 hours before the market closing, Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq are all up a little bit across the spectrum. Like if you spread it out, like about 0.5%. Russell's up about 1.2%. And VIX is also dipping down. So it seems like people are digesting the rough week that we've been having so far. So let's just dive into the technical to see what's going on right now. Respect to recording time again, basically 1 p.m. on 2 p.m. on the Eastern time right now. Right now, with respect to the inertia, you can see that we're elongating the line, try to find basically a landing zone for the baseball that we're trying to basically throw at to the field right now. And at the same time, RSI is forming some sort of a substantive resistance. You can see that we are forming a 20 like a 20 out of 70 on the RSI scale resistance several times, 1, 2, 3 times. So consolidate until we get more, natural and organic type of buying pressure. Obviously the day do rates. And I would say the buying pressure should logically begin sometime next week, as the international side of the house start to pick up, contingent on no negativity coming from the overseas, right? But also today we being a little bit compressed because it's a weekend and it's Friday, weekend affectation, so driving less buying pressure in comparisons to other days, right? So right now we are just levitating in between levels, try to get up to the next level, which is 1,150, or the next level down 1,000, which is a non-substantive one, all the way down to 750 as a substantive one. And then for Bitcoin, so the next one that we want to talk about, let me just click on this one. We are at a levitating level again, right? To like 20,500 as the not a real level. The real level we need to get up to is 22,500, right? But if we break this current level, we're gonna go down to 18,500. At the same time, with respect to the inertia right now, we're trying to form a bottom on the baseball. At the same time, forming a relatively substantive one at 22 out of 70 on the RSI scale. So contingent on us holding on, which I think the likelihood can be because of the double bottoms that we're forming. We should be able to hold on, but who knows, right? We could be, overall we're still in a downtrend, and if we go down further, let's say the next CPI report is negative again, CPI report, the FOMC meeting is negative again, seeing 1850, basically about a month out would not be a surprise if we do not get our things together tactically, right? And if we hear any additional surprise, right? And for classic, it's at 1422 right now. So any like lower levels would be basically all the flat numbers, right? 1450, $14, 1350 respectively. Doge up about 2%, as 5 cents at the moment. Right now, we are in between levels, right? You could see that we're gliding and consolidating. We are recuperating back up onto the 30. So right now we have a monumental level to see, can we break above the previous resistance level of 33 out of 70, which technically should be somewhere around like 6 to 8, right? So try to get back up to that level, and then subsequently to a mega leap up to the 79, which 80, as the next leap up, right? Cardano about 2%, at 48 right now, so all the flat numbers down, right? 45, 40, 35 respectively. Solana's at 31, so in between levels of basically 33 versus 25, right? So right now it seems like we're recuperating back up. We clearly got resist this back up from 23 out of 70 to back up to now currently at 37 out of 70. So the next level of resistance you have to watch for is basically 43 out of 70. So which you should technically get a blockade somewhere around 38, which is the next level, right? So we'll see, right? Can we even break above 33 to begin with, right? XRP up about 1% so far. All the flat numbers down, right? Basically 30, 25, 20 respectively. Polkadot down about 2% so far at 721 at the moment. So right now, I would say anywhere from basically current level down to 625. It's logical DCA. I would say we're basically trading on flat numbers again, right? 720, 750, $7, $650 respectively. Algorand's at 31 right now. So right now 30, 25, 20 respectively. We have a W right now. So at the moment right now, forming a curvature up would be where we should ideally go to. So I think the next level of resistance would be somewhere around 40. But all the levels down will be all the flat numbers like we identified before. Shiba Inu up about basically 2% so far. Right now it seems like we are gliding up, but relatively flat on inertia front, right? So 800, 750, 700 would be the levels down from below, and the level up would be somewhere around like next level 900 from here. MACTAX 40 cents at the moment, so 40 will be where we at right now. Next level really as a substance was 45, so any level down to the next level would be 35, 30 respectively. AVAX $16 right now, 1% up right now. So the next level up will be somewhere around 1827. The level down will be somewhere around 1450 right now. So right now try to recuperate back up. It's kind of flat in terms of inertia. So but we are resisting well. But ultimately, can you believe in this long term, right? Because that's the ultimate reason on why you're buying this at these levels, despite the sell-off that we've been getting so far. So hopefully this is helpful in terms of my quick Part B updates. And let me know if there are any questions on this front so far. Is consolidating just as expected, right? As we're digesting the news so far. We might see some sort of a rebound. But we're still in a downtrend, so we have a lot of doubts that's still up in the air, and we have to kind of break up above all the resistance level that we identify above before we can actually go back up to a bullish channel going forward. Okay, so appreciate you. Have a good rest of the Friday, and take care.